it to Northeast. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. People have been wanting me to do this for so long. Like all my comments, like, come to Northeast, come to Northeast. Today is finally the day. Everyone's in front of me. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
You can proceed to just.
I made it to Northeast, but it's really dark outside. Look, it's pitch black. Really cool. On the way flying over, we could see the border of Bangladesh. How crazy is that? Feels good, feels good. I'm ready to explore your state already. Officially checked into my hotel, which is so exciting. I am currently in Assam. I'm in Guwahati right now, which is the capital of Assam, which is in Northeast India. Now, a lot of people, especially I didn't know, I'm gonna be so honest, before this year, I did not know where Northeast was. Sorry. I'm not good at geography, okay, I'm not good. Time for a room tour. Right, let's get going. We're gonna start with the bathroom. I was saying my favorite thing is when you get toilet roll. We got toilet roll. I'm also gonna be honest too. When places provide this and a bucket, sometimes I just love a bucket. Like it just does the job, it's just less hassle. The bed, which is so soft. You get towels, amazing. Breakfast is included and you also get this complimentary, which is nice. Look, you've got whitener. I've not had this version before. Oh, maybe that's power cut. Tea. Oh, the power's back on. Tea, water, happy days, and wow, I get a whole balcony to myself. I'm gonna be in Assam for the next 2 full days. It is currently the 6th and I leave on the 9th. I'm gonna hopefully make the most of. I was wanting this time to chill, but then when the opportunity came up to explore Northeast, I could not turn it down. I'd be stupid to turn it down. So here I am, and I'm so blimmin' excited. Oh, it looks like my house. That's my favorite. Oh, this looks so yum. Wow, wow, wow. What's this, pork momos?
Yes.
This is my first ever pork momo.
Try.
I normally get vegetable.
Careful. It is hot, of course.
Careful, it will be hotter inside.
It will be very hot inside. Super hot.
Not a big fan. Coming in.
It's nice, I just think I'm not used to pork,
No.
you know? This is lush though, I think this is a bit of me.
Right.
Oh my god, and actual vegetables which aren't fried. It's all I'm craving. All I wanted was vegetables and it was like deep fried, oil. I'm so happy right now. Like this is, it's like comfort food. I'm not even from here, it's comfort food. India's widest river.
Widest and longest also.
Oh, is it? Longest too?
Yeah. It comes from China.
Oh, yeah.
In China it is known as
Sampo. Sampo
Yeah, in China.
in
It's
China.
Brahmaputra in India.
And what's it known for in India?
Brahmaputra.
Brahmaputra. Oh, is this where we're going?
Yeah.
Machinga. Did I say it right?
Machinga.
Ah, Machinga. Machinga, this is where we're going. And I'm going to experience Naga thali. Do you know the names of it all?
Yeah. So this is a bit of mashed potatoes.
Mashed potato?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ones, yeah.
Eggplant.
Yeah. This is the king chili.
King chili, I will be avoiding that.
Yeah.
I'll try a little bit, but I'll avoid.
This is like fried pork.
Fried
liver.
pork.
No, sorry, chicken liver.
Chicken liver.
Yeah. Mine wasn't pork. Red rice.
Red rice? What's
Yes.
is that sweet?
It's not sweet. It's sticky red rice.
Oh,
So
okay.
you can have it like after you are done with this, and or maybe however like dal, chicken, and boil.
Wow, I'm actually very excited about this. I've heard only good things. That dal is so nice. And would you have that every day?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a kick to it. Blimey. I've never had spicy mashed potato before. Okay, like this.
Yeah, just like your fingers. That's it.
Okay. Oh, it's annoying because the flavours of that are beautiful. Like the smoked, like how I can taste the smoke of it, that's lovely. But the spice is not lovely. Like what you're saying is the food that they make over here is all natural in terms of like the chilies they use. Like it is spicy, but it's natural chilies. Got you.
No processed.
Oh, the rice is quite hard to eat.
You want spoon?
Give it a go for a bit longer. I might have to have a spoon near the end. Oh, this is the dry fish.
Yeah, it has dry fish in it.
I don't know how I feel about that one. That's unusual. I'm not a fan of that one. I'm gonna leave that one to the side. Roy, what's that cooked in? That's delicious.
That's bamboo shoot.
Let's give it a try. Sticky rice. That's right up my street, you know, right? I'm a big fan of the chicken. I love how every place has such different thalis. Time for the Assam tea, which is what this is famous for. Oh, that's so different. I don't know whether, let me wash, I don't know whether I've got the smoked, because it tastes smoked to me. Is it meant to be smoked? Oh, it is? Okay, cool. Yeah, I've never had smoked tea before like that.
It's not smoked.
That might be one where I put more sugar in. Today is officially my first full day. Views all around me. I'm very, very excited. So I'm here with Roy and Audie. So when I first met them, they said to me, they were like, I bet after the end of the trip, you're gonna come to the North East. And I was like, nope. And it literally lasted me 2 days before I booked my flight and come to the North East, and here I am. I'm actually gonna go to Roy's farm stay. He's starting a farm stay in Assam, which is gonna be really, really cool.
11th Avenue.
That's the one!
Yeah.
I've heard so many things about that place. So many things about the English breakfast. That's really good. I always forget how much I like iced drinks until I get them. And I'm like, oh, I like this. I like this a lot. They say it's loaded since 2014, right? They're not messing around. Look at that. That's fully loaded. Bloody hell. That's humongous. That's jam-packed with flavour. That's delicious. The whole trip, Roy's been going on about English breakfast, English breakfast. I want an English breakfast. He got his English breakfast. Look at that. That's great. Oh, mashed potato on an English breakfast. Yeah. Rogue, okay. Roy's given me this Apna Desi Banda.
Lahori Jira.
Lahori Jira.
Looks like what?
Do you hold it? Looks like my Wii when I'm deep in training.
Are you having the
Lahori Jira.
Oh.
Do you guys choose to drink this?
Yes,
like,
yeah, it is going to help you.
Just a bit.
Rupees 10 received on PhonePe.
It's not that bad. It's better than the Jiru soda. Like, I could think because it's got lemon in it, it's nicer, but that is not for me. Oh, you enjoy that, Roy. Just next to me right there is Meghalaya. What? You guys said it so casually. That's Meghalaya. I thought you were joking. That's crazy. What are you doing, Nessa? We've made it to the farm stay. This is Lone Tree's farm stay that is in works right now. Oh, what did I put my hand in? Oh, this is my first time seeing it. Oh, cute. Wow.
This one is lychee.
Oh, I love
This one is jackfruit. We have mango on that side. Banana.
God, you got a whole fruit salad.
Guava.
Where?
This one is guava.
This one.
Yeah, this is guava.
You can see some bananas.
Oh, all the
Did you notice the betel trees?
I did, yeah, yeah.
So that's the sign of Assam.
Oh wait,
Like the way you saw in Kerala, right? All the coconut trees.
so that is Assam's version.
Oh, this is what we planted, the lemon farm. The
Wow.
lemon trees. You see, it's close to about 80 lemon trees.
Right.
Oh, I see! Cute! Adorable! There they are. Star fruits. Which one should I get?
From that bunch. You see them?
Oh yeah, that one direct that you're pointing at.
A
Okay.
bit yellowish.
You want the yellowish one. So the one behind the main one. I need to get on my tippy toes. Oh. Come on, little one, down you come.
Not this one.
Not the one behind
With your
it.
hands.
Watch your head, I don't want to knock you out with the starfish.
That's fine.
Not starfish, starfruit. Oh, God, I'm going to bring the whole tree down. Hello. Come on now. Yes!
Oh.
Yes, strike! I got it! 10 points! That's so fun. I'd be here all the time if I had this place. Just picking star fruit. Wow, my little baby star. Go. I got a star fruit.
Did you pluck it on your own?
Yeah, I plucked it all by myself because I'm a big, strong, independent woman.
My goodness. The kitchen will be on that side. That house, small house, is the toilet actually, and we will
Yes.
keep some like 2 or 3 more toilets and bathroom, and then there will be a huge kitchen. Okay, kitchen with a space like a patio for having dinner at night. The restaurant will be here, like a platform, like on the trees. Okay,
pillars
that will
are
be
already
the pool
here, you can
where
see
you
this.
can just relax.
Oh, guys, this is gonna be stunning.
Yeah.
Wow. You guys must feel so proud.
Yeah.
I feel proud for you guys.
Yeah.
This is going to be beautiful, and the fact that they have to go through like the lemon lemon trees to get to the restaurant.
Yeah. That's
How
it's
did you
gonna-
design all? Like, how did you guys come up with all this?
It came like one at a time.
Bamboo root grinding.
Oh, bamboo root grinding is what we're about to try. Wait, and why is this done? What for?
Nothing. So for furnitures, as I said, we are trying to use less wood, new wood. Like, so we are doing a lot of sustainable things here.
Be careful.
Because there are snakes inside.
Snake in the
Yeah,
property,
yeah.
it got stuck and it's not able to
I
get
think so. It can be here also. It's a
Get ready to be surprised.
it's a big snake that entered the property.
Cobra.
And you are wearing what?
Can I give you that? I'm scared. I'm scared.
How you do run if you see a snake?
They've told me that
Oh,
there's a
yes.
snake somewhere in
Good
this
things for
property, a
your health.
cobra.
No, it's not cobra.
Oh, it's not.
It's
Ignore
a
them.
rat snake.
Oh,
It's a rat snake.
there's me. I was like, that's it. This is going to be the death of me. I'm nervous. I'm very nervous. No, I'm excited. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm here for a good time. See, there's you just with one hand. I'm going to be like with my foot too.
It's ভয় লাগিছে দিব।
You're nervous, aren't you?
I am of course. Okay, you hold it.
Is my finger too
No,
close?
no, it's fine. Okay. Tight or slowly.
Can I go up?
It's always better to go down.
Okay. I like it. This is very fun. Oh, beautiful. Okay,
Position this.
pat on the back to me.
You can try on this part. Good. Hold it. Palm grip. Good.
Sorry.
Good, fine. I'm used to it.
And how long would it take you to smooth all of this?
For me, it will take me 2 hours at least to.
2 hours.
At
That would take
least.
me 2 days, wouldn't it?
I don't think so. You'll do it in 3-4 hours, I guess.
That's meaty, that.
Yeah. And then you can chop this like this.
I
Start.
quite like this. I think this is
Yes.
very fun. It's a great way to just de-stress. If you're really
Yes.
angry, just take it out on the thing.
This works.
That's why you seem like a very calm man. On to the next. That was awesome. At least I can say I made a part of a table. Hey. Everyone you see working here is actually from the nearby villages, which is lovely because it means that the community can come together and help build such a special place. And I already know next time I come it's going to be very beautiful. Do you hear like left-handed people have done crazy things? The craziest thing in my comment section is eat food with my left hand. I still do it though.
So the trick is not to go too rough on this.
Okay, slow and
Just
steady
make a
wins the race. Put pressure,
Yes.
slide down.
See, you're making good cuts.
Guys, we're not going home until I cut this. God, I'm gonna be, my left arm is gonna be pumping. It's gonna have muscles out here. Under pressure, pushing down on me, pushing down. And how long could it take you? Like, how long would it take you to chop this?
This?
Yeah.
4 minutes.
Add another 0 for me.
Almost there.
Go for the outro right after.
Yay!
Wow, guys, I did this all by myself.
That's
Whoa,
clean, clean,
smooth. If I had space, I'd take that home with me.
There's a momentum.
Is it recording? Wow. Assam 2025. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. I feel like an elephant.
We will do certain programs, like we have a nearby waterfall over here. It's very private. We haven't revealed it, and we will not be revealing it. It will be
No.
like, if you come to this property,
That's the only way to
our
see it.
people, the villagers, they will take you to the waterfall. We'll keep bicycles. You can ride around the village. And what else we have thought of? Oh, we are going to try with the silkworm thing. Like, we will have weaving thing. We'll try on that. We already have lemon farm. These lemons are specially from Assam, Kaji Nemu. These are GI tagged lemon. These are very special lemon that is very
Special
what
to
do you say?
Assam.
Yeah, native to Assam.
That's brilliant.
So we'll have like 2 categories of room and a tent, and then a volunteer, which will be the
Like a hostel
cheapest.
type of hostel type of vibe.
Yeah. You can do your workshop, you can do yoga, you can do whatever you feel like.
Whatever your heart desires,
Yeah.
your decision. It's your decision to decide.
And those are our guys.
These are the legends which are behind all of this. As you would have seen, I am currently at the Lone Tree Farmstay in Chandigarh, which is beautiful. I've heard so many things about this place from the guys. They've been telling me all about it. They've been telling me about Assam, about the area. So to actually be here and witnessing it with my own eyes is just beyond special. I'm currently sat on a tree, obviously, as you can tell, but right next to me is the paddy fields. These views are beyond beautiful because you've got the paddy fields of just the plain lands, and then behind it you've got the different hills. I've mentioned this many and many times, but so many people the past year since I've been in India have been telling me to visit the North East, and I wanted to for such a long time, but I didn't know when. And I didn't know how. I definitely didn't think I'd be visiting North East this year. It wasn't on my list at all. Not for any reason, just purely because of time. To me, I wanted to dedicate a lot of time to North East and experience it the best way possible. But I didn't have that time because it was like Maharashtra, Kerala, and then I was like, oh, I've got like 9 days to do things. And then an opportunity came up, and if you can't tell with my content already and how I go about things, when an opportunity comes up, I don't like to turn things down, so I take it with both hands and I go with it. I was meant to be also going to Arunachal Pradesh, but because it borders China, I think I've heard and I've been told that it's quite difficult to actually visit as a foreigner. They need a lot of documents and you can get denied, so I don't know what is in store. I'm here for a good time. I'm here to experience what I can. But I will be back next year for sure. But it won't be till the end of the year. So I'm glad I get to experience this now.